Now, those are actual sounds of the ending of World War One. It's kind of wild, like the last shots and explosions were heard soon after, around 11 a.m. Birds are chirping. Okay, that's incredible. I say, always remember it. Like, I think it's pretty cool. I also want to remember, like, pretend as it sounds at the end of the election. In fact, the fighting and the battle, they hear nothing but the sweet sounds of victory, which is Donald Trump being the 47th president. But still, that was incredible. So tell me your thoughts on it. Let me know in the comments down below. Peace.